Family pleads for a safe return of missing St. Catherine female. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It has been weeks of tears, anxiety, sleepless nights, and consistent praying for Odette Otti, as her daughter Makayla McLeod has been missing since Tuesday, September the 3rd, 2024. And so far, neither the family nor the community of Old Harbour in St. Catherine has any clue as to what could have happened to her. Otti, who is better known as Nadine, has not been her jovial self for days as the uncertainty of the situation wreaked havoc on her mental state. Otti, a resident of Nerine Lane in the fishing community, recalls the last time she spoke to her daughter on Tuesday morning. She was wearing a white merino t-shirt, leopard skin shorts, and a pair of push-toe slippers. The entire community is unsettled as everyone knows Makayla to be a decent, hard-working individual with a ready smile and a friendly nature. Makayla, aged 24 years old, was currently working as a bartender, and because of the working hours, Otti was helping out with Makayla's 2-year-old son. Since her disappearance, the toddler, despite his tender age, has lost his appetite to eat and only seemed to be interested in seeing his mother. Since reporting it to the police, Otti shared that she has visited the station several times to find out if authorities have any leads. Unfortunately, Otti believes that not enough is being done to locate her child. The mother of the missing female, Odette Otti, says she has been receiving some threatening phone calls.
I said, if you have Makayla, why you don't make me talk to Makayla? Because Makayla baby was crying at the same time, and I told him, I said, listen, you hear this little infant crying? If you have a heart, send Makayla home to him. Him tell me that if me want to hear Makayla's voice is when he must stab Makayla screaming, and he must go dump him and put him in a hole. And I said, the blood of Jesus is against you.
The police are trying to track down who made that call to Makayla's mother.
Our little son bad for her night and day. A little baby miss her mother. She normally not there if stay with her mother. Me tell her, it hard.
Whosoever have Makayla, please have a heart and send her home. Even to throw her on the roadside and let me find her body.
Though worried, Otti said she is not giving up hope that her child will be found. Somebody must know something. I pray that they come forward, she stated.
Because she bring her son to school, and when she came back from school, she came by me. And we were there talking, and she get a phone call. And that's when she turned out of the yard and tell me that she soon come back in. And when I went by her house, I saw her going into a taxi. Yeah. And when I said to her, so where you going? She said to me that, Mom, me soon come, me going in Old Harbour. Don't see her back at 2 o'clock. Like she timed the baby till the baby come from school 2 o'clock. When the baby come from school 2 o'clock now, she called the phone. And my daughter answered the phone and said, Makayla, where you is? And she said to her, me soon come. When me tried to call her phone, that phone just goes straight to voicemail.
Efforts to get an update or response from the investigating officer from the Old Harbour police station have so far proven futile. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story though and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.